How you doing, guys? This is Josh. Welcome one more time to the channel. This is your first time stopping by. Go ahead, subscribe, hit that like button, click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a specific question that I receive a lot. That is, should I buy a DTF printer or should I buy DTF transfer to start my business? So to be honest, it depends what you're looking for. So some people don't have the budget to start just with a printer. They prefer to get transfers. Other people have a budget so they can get a printer but not a industrial printer. So what they do is just get a converter printer. So let's talk about first, if you go with the route to just purchase DTF transfer for someone that is already printing in the industry. So this person going to have at least a dual head printer, maybe a 24 inches or 13 inches that have the capabilities to print a lot of transfer per hour. So it's going to be your go-to person, right? Or go-to company, because they're going to have you transfer maybe the same day or the next day, depending how busy they are, right? So having someone that can do transfer like this, ready to go, it's got to be you can say a better if you're not looking for doing maintenance on a daily basis. So that means that you got to be purchasing DTF transfer from someone, but you don't have to deal with the DTF maintenance that require per day, especially with the white ink. And some people don't want to do that transaction over there doing the maintenance. They don't want to know anything about maintenance, so they prefer to go that route and purchase the DTF transfer. So for example, here in our office for pickup, people can come in and they can purchase right away DTF ready to press. Or if they're looking for something that is more custom, we can print that for them because they don't have the equipment or they don't want to invest in that type of equipment that is a DTF or UV DTF machines, right? Now, if you're someone that you have a converter printer and you're looking to go for that upgrade, go to the next level that is just a dual head printer, just 13 inches, then I can show you the next video so you can have an idea how you're going to be printing per hour. You're going to be doing the gan sheets and all of that, and it's a good idea for you to go up. Okay, so stay tuned. So there you saw a video, a dual head printer 13 inches that we use in our facility to print a small quantity gan sheets and also to print the DTF glitter. So based on these, you're going to decide if you want to go that route, upgrade your machine to a dual head, or if you want to just stay purchasing DTF transfers from someone. So let's break down really quick the advantages or disadvantage of each one. So for example, if you decide to go with DTF transfers, so the good thing is that you don't have to do maintenance per day, and you're going to be purchasing from someone that you know is already professional printing. You can resell the DTF transfer really easy. You can do t-shirt really easy, and you can get the gun sheet the next day or even in 2 days, right? So now, what is the cons? The cons for having DTF transfer, if you don't have the machines, is that you are buying from someone, so that someone is going to have a pricing for you, so you will need to increase that pricing at least 30% or 40% so you can make an income from that. So basically, you're not the direct connection with the transfer. You're purchasing from the middle person. Sometimes that person or company have a lot of orders, and maybe your order get a little bit behind. So if you're waiting for that order, maybe for tomorrow or in the next 2 days, maybe it got delayed or something happens that you're going to get it in the third day, and that's going to push you, a little bit behind if you already told your customer that you're expecting the DTF transfer in certain date. Now, let's say that you decide to purchase a DTF printer for yourself or a UV DTF machines. So that's going to eliminate this, because you're not going to be purchasing from someone. Now you're going to be printing yourself. So the good thing is that it's going to be more direct. Your income is going to be, you're going to have a bigger margin because you're printing yourself. You have your own pricing. You don't have to bump it up to make that extra income. Like if you purchase from someone else, you have your own machines. You can print anytime you want, in the morning, all day, in the night, anytime you need it, based on your customers. Once you get that machines, that depending the brand that you get, it's going to be a reliable machine. You got to have your own software on all of that. So basically, having a DTF printer, you control everything about the setup and about the printing and doing the DTF transfers. So you have to have a good company that is there with you, or that person that prints for you. So that's the balance between getting DTF transfers or getting DTF machines. Now, what is the cons of having a DTF printer or UV DTF machine? So to be honest, there's not too many cons. There's going to be people that say, "No, having machine is awful. I don't like it," on all of that. But to be honest, it depends how you doing your maintenance. As always, you have been hearing from me in these videos for the past 6 years saying that maintenance is key. So if you do your maintenance the correct way for your machine, you're not going to have problems. You're not going to have trouble. So for example, let's say that I just finished on a Friday night, right, printing. So I'm going to put liquid on the capping station for the DTF machine, and I'm going to leave it that way so the print can stay moist until Monday, because I don't open or no, I don't print on Saturday and Sunday, right? So you're coming back on Monday to print, and you go to do the cleaning, you go to do the nozzle check, and all of that. You go to rotate the white ink from the dampers, and once you nozzle check is again 100%, you do a testing, and 100%, you're good to go. So the maintenance, to be honest, on a machine like 24 inches or 30 inches, it just take a 10 minutes, max 20 minutes to do. And if you keep your maintenance sharp, you're not going to have any issue. Having all this information already between the DTF transfer and the DTF printers, decide which one you want to do. If you got a budget and you're feeling that you don't want to have a middle person, I recommend that you go with a dual head printer. Why dual head printer? Is because if you get a single head printer, it's good to do the job, but it's got to be kind of slow. And if you're looking for a speed, to be honest, at least a dual head is going to do it for you. In our videos in the past, we have tested a printing with a dual head 11 by 11 with our printer that we got at the A3 size. We can do it in 1.5 minutes. So saying this means that the DTF transfer 1.5 minutes, we're talking about at least 40 transfers per hour. So if you print all day or 8 hours straight, you're going to have 40, 80, 120, and so on. So in order that someone put for you, let's say that 100 transfer, you can knock out easy in 3 hours or less, depending the machine that you got. So if you got the A3, at least it's going to be 3 hours. But if you got a 24 inches, because it prints not only on a 12, it prints on a 24, you're printing double side image, right? So in an hour and a half or less, you're going to be printing easy more than 100 transfers. So this is going to give you a better idea what machine you're going to get if you're getting one, or if you're deciding to just stay buying DTF transfers. So I hope this video, guys, help you to decide what to do. If you want to invest for you in your future, in your business, with a DTF machine, UV DTF, or if you want to stay and just continue purchasing from the middleman, just the DTF transfers. Either way you go, either route you take, you can say that there's nothing wrong with each one. It's just every person has different opinions, and based on that, they decide what to do. So if you're looking for DTF printers, we got DTF machines on our website. Also the UV DTF printers we got on our website. A really good brand. We support here in the United States and shipping from California warehouse. So all of that here in the United States. So if you need help, you don't have to wait 24 hours, 12 hours to go overseas. We have everything here in-house in the US. Also, if you're looking to purchasing DTF supplies or DTF transfer, UV DTF stickers, we have that all here in Kissimmee, Florida, United States. If you're local, you can come to our office, to our showroom, and see everything that we got. All the DTF transfer ready to press, see the supplies, see glitter for craft, t-shirts, and more. So I hope this video, guys, help you to decide what to do, which route you're going to take, if this year is your year to get a machine, or if you want to just wait and continue purchasing DTF transfers from a company or from a person. So thank you so much, guys, to be part of Kingdom DTF community. I will see you in the next video. As always, keep printing.